Hello friends, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about alcohols. I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaisi. So I welcome again in YouTube channel. And I hope this video will be helpful to you. So let us to start alcohols. Alcohols, organic compounds containing hydroxyl OH functional group. You can see here ROH. OH is the functional group. Phenols, compounds with hydroxyl group bonded directly to an aromatic benzene ring. You can see here this is benzene and this is OH. Now nomenclatures of alcohols. You know IUPAC rules. Rule number 1, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms containing the hydroxyl group. Remember. Second point, the number carbon atoms in this chain so that the one bonded to the OH group has the lowest possible number. Form the parent alcohol name by replacing the final E of the corresponding alkane name by all. When isomers are possible, locate the position of the OH by placing the number hyphenated of the carbon atom to which the OH is bonded immediately before the parent alcohol name. Name each alkyl branch chain or other group and designate its position by number. This is the longest continuous chain that contains an hydroxyl group. Select this chain as the parent compound. You can see here 1, 2, 3, and this is the methyl group side chain. Now this end of the chain is closest to the OH. Begin numbering here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and OH group at 2 position and 3 position for substituted methyl. So IUPAC name 3-methyl 2-butanol and new IUPAC name 3-methyl butane 2-ol. So this is the longest continuous chain that contains an hydroxyl group. You can see. Select this chain as the parent compounds. Now this end of the chain is closest to the OH. Begin numbering here. Now 3-methyl 2-pentanol, new IUPAC system 3-methyl pentane 2-ol. So nomenclature of cyclic alcohols using prefix cyclo. The hydroxyl group is assumed to be on carbon 1. So trans 2-bromocyclohexanol and trans 2-bromocyclohexane 1-ol. Here 1-ethyl cyclopropanol and 1-ethyl cyclopropane 1-ol. Now nomenclature of alcohols containing two different functional groups. Alcohol containing double and triple bonds use the ol suffix after the alkene or alkyne name. The alcohol functional group takes precedence over double and triple bonds. So the chain is numbered in order to give the lowest possible number to the carbon atom bonded to the hydroxyl group. The position of the OH group is given by putting its number before the ol suffix. Number for the multiple bonds were once given earlier in the name. So you can see here examples. Longest carbon chain that contains OH group 5 carbon. Position of OH group carbon 2 and position of carbon double bond carbon 4. So complete name 2,4-pentene 2-ol. Now some consideration. OH functional group is named as a hydroxy substituent when it appears on the structure with a higher priority functional group such as acid esters, aldehyde and ketones. 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. You can see 2-hydroxycyclohexanone. So decreasing priority acid esters, aldehyde, ketones, alcohols, amines, alkenes, alkynes, alkane, ethers, and halides. So alcohol with two OH groups, diols or glycols. Naming of diols is like other alcohols except that the suffix diol is used and two numbers are needed to tell where the two hydroxyl groups are located. I pick name propane 1,2-diol and trans-cyclopentane 1,2-diol. Nomenclature of phenols. Term ortho 1,2-disubstituted or meta 1,3-disubstituted and para 1,4-disubstituted are often used in the common name. I pick name 2-bromophenol and 3-nitrophenol. Here you can see 4-ethylphenol. Common name ortho-bromophenol, meta-nitrophenol and para-ethylphenol. Now phenols may be monohydric, dihydric or trihydric. Number of hydroxyl group in the benzene ring. Friend, you can see this benzene ring contains 2 ol at 1,3 position. We call it benzene 1,3-diol. Here benzene 1,4-diol. Here benzene 1,2,3-triol, like that. So derived from the common name of the alkyl group and the word alcohol. For example, this compound 2-methyl-2-propanol and common name tert-butyl alcohol. This ethanol, common name ethyl alcohol. This is 2-propanol, common name isopropyl alcohol. This is methanol, common name methyl alcohol. Now classifications of alcohol. Classifications according to the type of carbinol carbon atom, carbon bonded to the OH groups. Class is primary alcohol, OH group attached to the primary carbon atom, one alkyl group attached. Secondary alcohol, OH group attached to a secondary carbon atom, two alkyl group attached. Tertiary alcohol, OH group attached to a tertiary carbon atom, three alkyl group attached. Now friend, you can see primary, secondary and tertiary structure is like that. An example, ethanol 2-methyl 1-propanol primary, 2-butanol and cyclohexanol secondary and 2-methyl 2-propanol tertiary. So polyhydroxy alcohol, alcohol that contains more than one OH group, polyhydroxy alcohol, and monohydroxy 1 OH group, dihydroxy 2 OH group, trihydroxy 3 OH groups, like that. So physical properties of alcohols: aliphatic alcohols and lower aromatic alcohol, liquid at room temperature. Highly branched alcohols and alcohols with 12 or more carbon atoms, solids. So boiling point of alcohols are higher than alkanes and chloroalkanes of similar relative molecular mass. For example, relative molecular mass boiling point: C2H5OH you see 78 and ethane minus 42 and methyl chloride minus 24. So reasons: intermolecular hydrogen bond between water and between the alcohols and hydrogen bonding. So solubility of alcohol in water. Alcohol with a short carbon chain, methanol, ethanol, dissolve in water, hydrogen bond are formed. Solubility decreases sharply with the increasing length of the carbon chain. Higher the alcohol are insoluble in water, alcohol contains polar in OH groups called hydrophilic and non-polar in the alkyl group called hydrophobic in nature. Now polyhydroxy alcohol are more soluble than monohydroxy alcohol from more hydrogen bond with the water molecule. Branch hydrocarbon increases the solubility of alcohol in water. Branch hydrocarbon cause the hydrophobic reasons becomes impact. Now acidity of alcohols and phenol. Alcohols weak acidic in aqueous solution, alcohols will donate its proton to water molecules to give an alkoxide and RO minus. You can see here CH3CH2H react to water forming CH3CH2O minus. So the acid dissociation constant K of alcohol is defined by the equilibrium. You can see this equilibrium more similar than pKa value, the alcohol is more acidic. Now acidity of phenol. Phenol is a stronger acid than alcohol and water. You can see alcohol react with water forming alkoxide and phenol react with water forming phenoxide and water react with water hydroxide. So Phenol is more acidic than alcohols by considering the resonance effect. The alkoxide ion Ro-, the negative charge is confined to the oxygen and is not spread over the alkyl groups. This makes the Ro- ion less stable and more susceptible to attack by the positive ions such as H+ ion. So friends, the phenoxide ion, one of the lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom, is delocalized into the benzene ring. The phenoxide ion is more stable because the negative charge is not confined to the oxygen atom but delocalized into the benzene ring. You can see here. The phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized by the benzene ring, and this decreases the tendency for the phenoxide ion to react with H3O+. Now, effect of acidity. The acidity decreases as the substitution on the alkyl group increases. Ethyl group is an electron donating group, strengthen the OH bonds harder to the release portions. Methanol is more acidic than t-butyl alcohol. The presence of electron withdrawing atoms enhances the acidity of alcohol. The electron withdrawing atom helps to stabilize the alkoxide ion. 2-chloroethanol is more acidic than ethanol because the electron withdrawing chlorine atom helps to stabilize the 2-chloroethoxide ion. Alcohol with more than one electrons withdrawing atoms are more acidic. 2-dichloroethanol is more acidic than 2-chloroethanol. Example of electron withdrawing atoms or group: halogen atoms and NO2. Now, importance of alcohol. Ethanol solvent for varnishes, perfumes and flavoring, medium for chemical reactions and in recrystallization. Also is an important raw material for synthesis. Medically, ethanol is classified as hypnotic sleep producer. It is less toxic than other alcohol. Now, ethanol is prepared by both the hydrations of ethylene and by fermentation of sugar. It is alcohol of alcoholic beverages. You can see ethene react with water in presence of acid give ethanol, and C6H12O6 undergo yeast reactions and forming ethanols. Now, preparation of alcohol. Grignard synthesis, hydrolysis of alkyl halides, industrial and laboratory preparations of ethanol. What is the Grignard synthesis? So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.